Hello and welcome to Math200 Statistics here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video, we will take a look at a homework problem from section 3.4, part 1. This is problem number 7. It says a cereal box has a gift inside, but you can't tell from the outside what the gift is. But the store manager assures that 11 out of 50 boxes on the shelf have a secret decoder ring. The other 39 boxes have a different gift. If you randomly select 2 boxes of the cereal, what is the probability that you get both of them to have the secret decoder ring? So basically you want to know what the probability is, probability of getting a secret decoder ring for the first pick, and then times probability that you get a secret decoder ring for the first pick, given that you've already selected a secret decoder ring. And so this one looks like you're looking at this experiment as an experiment without replacement, because you're looking at selecting 2 different boxes and you're going to keep both boxes. And so this is without replacement. Not only that, because there's only 50 boxes, and so when you take one out, then you have to consider that you've taken one out already. Okay, so let's figure out the probabilities, and the probabilities are basically what they give you here. So there's 11 out of 50 boxes on a shelf that have a secret decoder ring. So if you have 50 boxes on a shelf right now and you pick one of them, the probability that you're going to get the decoder ring is 50, or 11 out of 50. Now, if you take that out and say you got that decoder ring on the first box, what's the probability that you're going to get the secret decoder ring again, given that you've already selected the secret decoder ring? So in this probability, because these probabilities are not independent, you took one out already, and so now there's one less box with a decoder ring, so that instead of 11 there's only 10 boxes with a decoder ring. And not only that, but since there were 50 boxes and you took one out, now there's only 49 boxes left over, and so this is what you'll have. Okay, we'll put this in our calculator. We kind of have to be careful in our calculator how we put this in. It'd be good to use parentheses, but since you're actually multiplying it, there's a little bit of flexibility here. You can just go 11 over 50 times 10 over 49. So you can type on a calculator 11 and then the divide by sign, 50, and then here you can multiply times, and then 10, and then you can press divide by 49, so that'll work out. What you're not allowed to do is if you try, I'm going to write this out but cross it out immediately, 11 times 10 divided by 50 times 49. So multiplication goes across like that, but here you would actually need a parentheses around 50 times 49 down here. So this is not a good way to do this on a calculator unless you have a graphing calculator where you can easily put parentheses. So let's be careful, because you'll get a different answer with that. So I'll just put it in I'll put in what I saw, 11 divided by 50 times 10, and then I'll divide by 49. And then again, one of the key things is to look at your answer and make sure it's a number between 0 and 1. And if you get a number bigger than 1, then you know that there's some issues. So I got 0.0448979, and I will round this off to, well, let's write out that much. So we have equals, let's keep this in red, 0.44897959118. That's a lot of decimal places to write. I mean, you can put your answer in like this if you want, but they want up to 4 decimal places. So this is the 4th decimal place, which means I need to look at this number. This number is bigger than 5, so I have to add 1 to 9, but that's going to carry over to 0. So I'm going to eventually get 4490 if I round off to 4 decimal places. All right, so this is my final answer, rounded off to 4 decimal places. Okay, hope that helps.